In this video, we will see how to develop a customized operating system image with the Renesas board support package for RZ V2N evaluation kit. We will do so by using the Yocto project, but in order to begin, first let's go through the system requirements of building the BSP. First, we need an Ubuntu PC with version not later than 22. The newer ones would not have the dependencies installed properly. You can have some other Linux-based distributions as well. For that, you can refer the Yocto project's reference manual. The PC should have at least 200 gigabytes of free space because the project would download a lot of source code, intermediate files, and libraries to build. And the architecture should be 64-bit. The higher the number of cores in your PC, the faster it will build the image. To begin with, we will install the packages needed to build an image on a system with a supported Ubuntu or Debian Linux distribution. So here's the list of all packages. Allow them to install. Now let's configure Git in our system. We set our email and username here, and to check this, we will use the config command. Now to build the BSP, we will download the source code from the web page RZV2NAISDK. Go to Downloads. Download the source code by clicking it. Log in to the website. Accept it, and the downloading will start. Now we will create new directory for the Yocto build. Go to this directory. Move the downloaded source code to current directory. Let's unzip the source code here. Now, let's extract the Yocto source code here. Here's the extracted layers. Now we will create the configuration files from the template given with the source code. This template generated BB layers file. Here, the main layers for the Yocto BSP are added. We have Pokey, layers from Meta Open Embedded, toolchain from Meta ARM, and the BSP from Renesas. The template also creates local.conf file. Moving forward, we will apply some patches for basic settings. The minimal required layers were already added to the BB layers file, while for some additional features we will add some more layers using the bitbake layers command. The graphics layer would include Mali GPU and its supporting drivers. The DRP AI layer includes Renesas developed AI accelerator. Then we add Meta OpenCV layer, which adds OpenCV accelerator, which can perform OpenCV functions using dynamically reconfigurable processor DRP. If the DRP is used, OpenCV will be executed at high performance. Finally, we add codec layer, which adds codec tools like GStreamer and OpenMax. Now all the layers are added, so we will move on to our next step where we extract our open source packages that we got from the source code we downloaded. Here we can see all the open source packages. Finally, we are ready to build our Yocto image, so now will build core image Weston. This step would definitely take some time, so please be patient while it's on. Now the build has successfully completed, and we can see its output files in the deploy directory. In Images, here we have the bootloader files, root file system, and WIC format SD card image. So we are done with our Yocto setup for this hardware and the first image. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.